What's up, everybody? It's the MinuteAdmin here, and in this video, I'll be talking about Salesforce Administrator salaries. So a lot of you guys have been asking me how much a Salesforce Administrator gets paid per year, and I figured I'd make a video about this instead of answering those one-off questions every single time those come to me. So here's the video for anybody who asks you how much a Salesforce admin gets paid per year so that you can pretty much not answer that question and give that to them as a resource to go and look at. So here's that resource. All right. So a Salesforce administrator, the first place I want to take you to show you how much the average Salesforce administrator gets paid per year is the actual Trailhead website. Like, we have a Salesforce website called trailhead.com. Or trailhead.salesforce.com. I'm going to leave the link in this description below. So the Salesforce Administrator career, according to Salesforce, is a $91,000 per year salary. So this is from trailhead.salesforce.com. And like I said, I'm going to leave this link in the description below. And the first thing you see here is $91,000 per year. That is the average salary in the United States for a Salesforce administrator. Okay, so I'm actually on here on the Trailhead.Salesforce website, and something new that just came up as I'm showing you this literally wasn't here a couple of days ago, are these open positions right here. So you can actually click here to learn more about open positions. I'm actually going to click one of these. I'll click this one here and see where that takes me, because this is actually really cool. So this is a Capital One job. So for people who don't know what Capital One is, that's the credit card company. So that's Capital One. Here's Macy's. Here's CGI Group. Here's KPMG. I'm not sure what that is, so I'll click that. So these are open Salesforce administrator jobs. So if you guys aren't taking advantage of what Salesforce literally puts on their website, then you're just missing out. So you've got the location too, as you can see here, San Antonio, McLean, Virginia. So those are Salesforce administrator jobs that are open right now. Now, to show you that that's not the only place to go and find the average salary for a Salesforce admin, I opened up Indeed. So Indeed is another good job search place. So I just typed in Salesforce admin in Dallas, Texas. You can put it anywhere you want, but let's just stay in Dallas, Texas, right? Because I know there's a lot of Salesforce jobs in the Dallas area. So I just scrolled on down here. As you can see here, we have a Salesforce developer. It's not what we're looking for specifically, but this Salesforce developer position is going for $55,000 to $65,000. You have to have 2 years of experience. I don't know everything about the full job description here, but I will say that looks like it's on the low end for a Salesforce developer. But let's keep scrolling down here. Look at this Salesforce administrator / consultant salary, $59,000 to $89,000, pretty much $60,000 to $90,000 a year for just 1 year of Salesforce experience being preferred. Not that you have to have 1 year of Salesforce experience. And they're urgently hiring right here. Now I'm going to go down to another job. You can see the Salesforce administrator / developer, $96,000 a year. This is in Plano, Texas. Let's see if we can keep scrolling down and find another one that shows the salary here. So I'm going to keep scrolling. I'm going to go to page 2. I'm just looking for jobs that are right on the front of the page that are saying what the salary is. We see the Salesforce developer job. Once again, not a Salesforce admin job, but still $88,000 to $163,000 a year. So I would go to something like Indeed, type in what you're searching for, and then just look around here. And then the last place that I'm going to show you to find Salesforce administrator salaries is this Mason Frank International, which is the global leader in Salesforce recruitment. Basically, the reason I'm showing you this is because I want you right now to pause the video, go to Mason Frank International, so go to masonfrank.com and type in your job search. So find out how to type in your job search. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to duplicate this tab right here. I want you to pause the video, go to masonfrank.com, and in the first place you see here, click select role, and then click administrators, and then click your location. So I don't care which country you're in, just choose your country. I'm in the United States. So if you're in the United States, choose United States, and then just keep it at permanent and contract and click search. And that's all I did. I just searched based on my criteria here, and I've got 94 different jobs on Mason Frank International that meet that criteria. The next thing I would say to do, pause this or after the video, doesn't matter. Go ahead and register a new account. Make an account here on Mason Frank. Upload your resume, upload your cover letters, upload all of that information about yourself. Make an account so when you actually want to look at a job and save one right here and click the save button, you can do that, or you could just apply with a click of a button. So you should definitely do that. Now on here, look at the salaries. Watch this. I'm just scrolling down. I'm looking down. Boom. $90,000 to $120,000 a year for a Salesforce admin. Keep going. Scroll down for senior Salesforce admin. $95,000 to $120,000 a year. Go down here to senior Salesforce admin. This is $100,000 to $130,000 a year. Let's keep scrolling. Let's see if we find something else. Salesforce admin in Austin, Texas, $68,000 to $80,000 a year. And you just keep scrolling down. Junior Salesforce admin, it's saying $25 an hour remote opportunity. Keep going. Like Salesforce admin, 5 years experience, $120,000. Every time people see, oh, you need to be a Salesforce admin with 5 years of experience, or every time somebody sees a senior administrator right here or senior Salesforce admin, everybody gets scared. Don't be scared. Like, I look at those job roles as kind of like filter criteria. So kind of like the person that is either qualified, obviously, and thinks that they're qualified for this job are going to apply for these types of jobs. And then other people who are more of like, they feel like they're qualified, or they don't really care what the job description says, or the job title says, they're going to still apply for that job. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, don't let the title of this job description stop you from clicking into here. Let's say you click into here and you say, oh, I'm not a senior Salesforce admin. Who cares? It doesn't matter. Just go to the job, apply to the job. At the end of the day, the people who are hiring for these jobs are human beings. So get the human being to like you and go in and crush the resume or crush the interview, have a bomb resume, have a bomb cover letter, go in, blow their expectations out the water, go in and just crush it and get the job. Like, at the end of the day, it's just another job. Like, you can go in and just have that mindset that you're going to get it, and you're going to get it. Like, obviously you've got to go and be prepared, have a great resume, go in and, build rapport with the interview hiring manager, go in and have a great cover letter, go in and be ready for any sort of questions, have a list of questions that you're going to ask the hiring manager. Just go in prepared, knowing about the company. That's what I'm saying when I say go in and crush expectations, blow people out the water, and you'll get the job. Because most people go in and they're like, yeah, I'm looking for a Salesforce job. I'm just on the market right now. What sort of like, how are you blowing somebody out the water? How are you blowing someone away? How are you blowing expectations if you're going in there like everybody else? Go in there, be unique. Salesforce is an industry where you can be unique. Salesforce is an industry where they accept everybody. So if you're going in for a job interview at somewhere who's hiring for a Salesforce admin, then go in and be unique. Everybody's looking for someone new, somebody with a new perspective. That's what the world really is looking for. So that's why I'm going on this, little tangent. I'm basically saying, like, you can apply for these jobs, these senior Salesforce admin jobs that you're wanting. Don't let the title stop you from that. But the whole premise of this video is to tell you how much the regular Salesforce administrator makes per year. And that answer was right here at the very beginning of the video, which is $91,000 a year is the average salary. Average does not mean what everybody gets paid. Average means more people are probably getting paid around that range than other ranges, but there's people who are making less than that. Then there's people who are making more than that. Then there's people who are making way less than that. And then there's people who are making way more than that. So as you saw, some people were making $120,000 a year. Some go up to even $130,000. So it just really depends on not just going in there and saying, yeah, I'll just take whatever you give me. It goes in there basically with you saying, you crush the interview, you negotiate a salary, negotiate, because the salary isn't just fixed. This isn't MSRP on a car where the price is $30,000 and that's it and you can't negotiate. Even with the car, you can negotiate how much you want to pay. Everything when it comes to pay is negotiable. So go in there and negotiate whenever you are in the job interview. So, the next time I get somebody asking me how much a Salesforce administrator makes, I'm going to send them to this video, and I want you to do the same thing because we need to build a community of answers, and that's why I'm making this video. That's why I make all of my videos. I want to make a community of answers. I want to have it on video too, not just typing it out and putting it in a Facebook group and, just telling somebody to read something. I want to make videos showing people how to find these answers and actually finding the answers for you guys. So if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below to tell me what you have seen in the Salesforce ecosystem as far as salary goes. Tell me what you got out of this video. Also, interact with this channel. Let me know what you got out of this, and hit that subscribe button if you found this video useful as well, so you don't miss out on any future MinuteAdmin videos. Thanks.